I thought I'd give you a little background about what the workshop is about. So, workshops are about healing the primal wound of abandonment. This is that cumulative wound that's been collecting since childhood that just kind of hangs out within us universally, and it's easily triggered. So the people that come to the workshops are people who come from all sorts of different adult triggers. They might be going through a breakup, which means they're in a severe emotional crisis. The breakup very often brings people to their knees, and it's just overwhelming in the pain. Or they might be dealing with a more chronic type of abandonment, where maybe their parents were alcoholic or something in their childhood has given them a chronic feeling of insecurity, and they have lots of self-sabotage, um, and they things prevent them from reaching their potential as a human being. The insecurity interferes in their relationships. They have a very active outer child, which is the part that breaks your diet and gets attracted to all the wrong people. In fact, a lot of people come because they have a pattern of being attracted to the unavailable. And when someone is available, they lose attraction. They have to be in pursuit mode in order to feel the love. Or some people come because they're so afraid of abandonment that they avoid relationships altogether, and they have a terrible feeling that they'll never find love, that they'll die bereft of love and human connection. Or even things that don't seem directly related to the abandonment wound, such as hoarding and cluttering. People come with that kind of a symptom because it stems from very early abandonment and self-abandonment. Cluttering and not living our best life is one of the ways that we abandon ourselves. Um, but the workshop deals with all of these issues, and each person works on their own issues during the workshop. But it really is talking about the taproot of abandonment, the primal abandonment wound that underlies all of these adult triggers.